everyone, today for Art at Home with Miss Lipscomb, we're going to work on a Wayne Theibaud inspired gumball machine. We talked about our artist of the week a little bit yesterday. His name is Wayne Theibaud and he is an American painter who is most known for his pieces painting desserts such as pies, cakes, also milkshakes, drinks, as well as gumball machines. So we're going to work on this piece today. First, what you're going to need to do is create colors of paint. I decided to create paint that is purple, pink, blue, light blue, green, yellow, all the above. Once you complete your paint, you're going to go ahead and grab a white sheet of paper. We're going to work with this paper vertical. Once you grab your paper, go ahead and get something to write with, and you're going to draw a circle. This is going to be the part that the gumballs are in. Once you complete your circle, you're going to begin drawing a square coming from the bottom of your circle, just like this. Once you complete that, you're going to draw a large rectangle coming from that small square. And that's the bottom of your gumball machine. Next, I decided to write 25 cents because that's what gumballs were when I was growing up. That's how much they cost. Next, we're going to paint our gumball machine. So you're going to draw the square and rectangle red. Next, we're going to work on the gumballs. So make sure you have some cotton balls to the side, and you're going to take one and begin dabbing it into your paint and putting it in the gumball machine, creating small circles just like this. Make sure you spread each color out and use all your colors to put them in there. And there are your gums in the gumball machine. Next, we're going to go ahead and grab a little bit of black paint, and you're going to paint over the 25-cent sign. And finally, you can take some crayons and we're going to work on the background. Draw a line behind your gumball machine. And we're going to color in the bottom of that half in a Wayne Theibaud inspired style. Because in his painting styles, you can usually see the brush strokes of paint. So we're going to use our crayons to create the same effect. So don't completely color it all in. Make sure you can see a little bit of the white paper. Next, you can take a lighter color, more of a peach or a tan, and color the top half. This will bring the colors of the gumballs out. And again, we're going to color in the style of Wayne Theibaud. And there's your Wayne Theibaud inspired gumball machine. Alright guys, I will see you tomorrow for Art at Home with Miss Lipscomb. You have a good night.